Let us write an essay on capital punishment. ये लास्ट टाइम आया था टॉपिक. सो पहले इंट्रोडक्शन. कैपिटल पनिशमेंट इज अ लीगल पेनल्टी that court orders against a person who has committed an offense it is only given in rarest of rare cases. Capital punishment is a controversial topic which has stirred viewpoints and has been debated upon. Death penalty is considered as a violation of human rights. ये था थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन. अब हम समझाएंगे कि कैपिटल पनिशमेंट होता क्या है. कैपिटल पनिशमेंट refers to death penalty and is the most severe form of punishment for the offender. When an offender commits an act which is heinous and grave in nature, then death penalty may be awarded. Now, under Indian Penal Code, there are various offences for which death penalty is the punishment. For example, murder, dacoity, etc. What else do we know about this? This punishment can be commuted by the president under the pardoning power. Under Article 72 of Constitution of India. The term death penalty is used interchangeably with capital punishment. What are the arguments in favor? In favor करते हैं, फिर against करेंगे, and then major cases और फिर conclusion. अभी तो ये बस introduction था, थोड़ा सा introduce किया, यहाँ पे definition लिखी, ऐसे हमें 4 और पेज भरने हैं. What are the arguments in favor? Retribution procedure established by law, deterrence, safety and welfare of the citizens. Okay. Retribution is one of the main reasons as to why this punishment is imposed. Death penalty, as per this theory, is necessary to ensure justice for victims and society at large. Supporters sometimes mention eye for an eye when death penalty comes to mind. It is based on the concept of eye for an eye. Which means that the punishment should match the crime. Article 21 of the Constitution ensures fundamental right to life and liberty for all persons. It adds that no person shall be deprived of his life or liberty except according to procedure established by law. Deterrence is the main reason for this kind of punishment. People are refrained from doing an act which is imposed with a punishment that leads to their death. So threat of being executed refrains them from committing the heinous offense. To make the country or the system safe and secure for the citizens, proper punishments for crimes are necessary for the social justice. अगेंस्ट अब देखते हैं. There are many disagreements with the above mentioned points. Capital punishment does not rehabilitate the offender. The purpose of punishment is to rehabilitate the offender. The accused is, यहाँ पे इनको accused नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए था, the offender यूज़ करते हैं. The offender is given punishment in order to make him capable of returning to the society and function normally. It is actually a form of vengeance. मतलब कि रिवेंज ले रहे हैं हम ना उससे. And the critics say that it is immoral. Further, the data from across the world could not conclusively prove that the death penalty does reduce the crime rate, and especially आगे करते हैं. Reciprocal cultural violence. by retribution. There can be a societal failure. The ones who oppose death penalty argue that it reciprocates the existing cultural violence in society and does not offer a solution. The ones who oppose death penalty argue that it does not offer a solution. Blind eye on societal failure. People who oppose capital punishment are of the view that through the political will of executing a rapist, the onus of making society safer for women is shifted upon individuals and society is let free of its responsibilities. According to the national figures, इकोनॉमिकली वल्नरेबल जो हैं उन्हीं को डेथ दी गई है. जो बहुत सारे डेथ रो प्रिजनर्स हैं belong to the lower strata of the society. I think we should mention that. It has been seen by the statistics that the death row prisoners mostly belong to the lower strata of what? Lower strata of society. Execution of the innocent, yes. It may also be possible that an innocent is killed by mistake. What are the major cases? इसके 3 मेजर केसेस है. जगमोहन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी, बच्चन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, मच्छी सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. ये तो केसेस लिखते हैं, सिंपल से लग रहे हैं. The relevant cases that talk about death penalty widely are Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, Supreme Court said that in case of rarest of rare only, death penalty may be given, should be given, shall be given, should be given, should be given. उसके बाद the other case is of Machhi Singh versus State of Punjab. The Supreme Court outlined certain factors that determine whether a case should be considered rarest of rare. Okay. Recent stand क्या है? In response to the concerns about the way courts award the death penalty, Supreme Court has suo motu started a review of the process. Mitigating circumstances in death penalty cases. Supreme Court has started the process of review in such matters to keep a check. Certain guidelines have been put into place for this purpose. It is ensured that principles of natural justice are taken care of. Now, the conclusion. Focus should not only be on eliminating. In conclusion, the focus should not only be on eliminating the criminal, but on elimination of the crime. I think there's a quote in which it is said, the society prepares for the crime and the criminal and the person does the crime. So ऐसे करके भी कुछ quote लिख सकते हैं. The purpose of punishment in criminal law, if looked from a wider angle and broader perspective, is to achieve the goals of an orderly society. Okay, let us add this in our own words. The purpose behind punishing a criminal is to do what? Is to provide safer environment for the people and to maintain an orderly society. There is a need to ensure the restoration of peace and prevent future occurrences of crimes by balancing the competing rights of the criminal and the victim. Okay, it's a good line. There is a need to maintain a balance while punishing the criminal and ensuring justice to the victim.